Hey there everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. You're not going to want to miss this video, so if you're just tuning in, make sure you stick around till the end. There's going to be a wealth of information in this video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure hit that subscribe button for me. It's going to help you out. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And do me a favor while you're at it, hit that like button. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm, helps me get these videos out to more people. And that's what I'm making videos for, is to try to impact and help change as many people's lives as possible. So let's get right into it. We're going to be talking about crypto, and is this the best time to be buying into crypto? And I absolutely believe the answer to that is yes. Does it mean that crypto has already hit a bottom and that there's no way it could fall or go down? Not at all. Could crypto continue to come down? Yes, it could. But this is the best time to be starting to get into crypto. Even if you bought at these prices and you hold for the next couple of years, you're going to make money. At these prices, there's nowhere to go but up. Now, if you're just betting your rent money on it, could it fall by next month? Yes, it could. And that is why that is not how we invest. But if you are out there and you can start dollar cost averaging into crypto, there's been people that's been in this for far longer than you. I'm one of them. There's been people in it a lot longer than I am that's bought crypto at higher prices than where it is right now. But we believe in the projects long term. And when we go into the next bull run, which we will have, for those out there saying that, oh, it's different this time, crypto, it's going to zero, it's going to be the whole NFT phase. No. Crypto has weathered far worse than what we've been enduring here lately. And the fact that we've had some of the major exchanges crash, like FTX, and crypto has held up so good, should go out there to show any of the naysayers that crypto isn't going anywhere. If crypto was going anywhere, it would already be at zero. There's nothing that they can throw at it worse than what we've been kind of going into, and people are still sitting out there trying to just spread FUD. I don't want you to just get caught up in the FUD, and I don't want you to miss your opportunity. So, how is the best way to get into crypto? Well, if you're new to it and you don't understand a lot about it, first thing you need to do is start educating yourself. Follow people like me or BitBoy, or there's a lot of people out there, and start getting an understanding of crypto. Read some white papers. It will change the way you view things. But if you believe in future, if you believe in technology, if you believe we're not going back to the Stone Age and that we're constantly looking for the next better thing, then there's no denying that the blockchain technology that these cryptos are built on is going to be integrated into our everyday lives. And if that's the case, then how do you position yourself to be able to make some money on it? So I'm putting together a portfolio. Me and some others have gone in together, and I'm going to be putting together a portfolio. If you want to be able to see that portfolio, leave it in the comments. I've kind of thought about maybe doing just a video series on that portfolio and that journey. Maybe doing like a $25,000 version of that and just put it out there for everyone. So if that's something you're interested in, that could be something that I could be doing in the future. But let's talk about what is the smartest way to be buying into this market. How am I buying into this market right now? Take your money that you have set aside to be able to put into this. If you're doing it $25 a week, whatever, you can dollar cost average in. For me, I have a pile of money, and I'm dedicating a tenth of that every time I buy. And I'm picking up positions in these cryptos every time I see them decrease in price. Now, I'm not talking about just a little bitty decrease, but every time I see like a 2 to 4% drop in some of these cryptos, then I'm going to be picking up that next position in it. until I've picked up 10 positions in each of the cryptos that I have on my portfolio, or that I'm wanting to have in my portfolio. So take Bitcoin for instance. We've got Bitcoin sitting at around 16.9. If you were buying into that, I don't want to buy into it again at 16.9. I'm going to want to see that drop. Maybe my next position be at, say, 16.5, and then at 15, and buy as it's dropping. Now, if we did hit a bottom and we were just consolidating, then maybe we could see this start to range between about 16 and 20,000, at which case every time it moves up and then we see that pullback, then maybe I would be buying. Maybe that would mean that I do buy again at 16.9. But that's only if we see it move up first and then move back down. And that allows you to be able to buy in every time there's weakness, and when there's weakness, you're able to pick up that position. And do yourself a favor. Even if you're just getting into crypto, learn about a cold storage wallet. Don't keep your crypto just on any of these exchanges. We've seen them fail. Now, I do most all my buying on Coinbase. There's no doubt about that. That's where I do most of my trading. I feel comfortable with Coinbase. I trust Coinbase. With that being said, this big portfolio I'm putting together, and even my own private crypto, I keep it on a cold storage wallet. Don't keep it on these exchanges, so that if something happens, that exchange fails, you've lost your savings. You've lost what you've got planned to move into the future. Put it on a cold storage wallet, keep your keys, and then you own that crypto. Then, even if the exchange fails, you still own the crypto. It hasn't gone anywhere. All you have to do is upload it to the next exchange to be able to exchange it. So learn about a cold storage wallet. Get yourself a good cold storage wallet. I will put a link to Ledger. That's the cold storage wallet I prefer and that I use. I'll put a link to the description below. Get yourself a great price on a Ledger wallet and have your crypto protected. So make sure that you're doing that no matter what. If you're just starting out and you've just got a couple $100s in crypto, maybe you're not ready for that. But as soon as you've got a few $1,000s in crypto, definitely invest the money to go out and get yourself a great Ledger wallet and have your crypto protected, so that no matter what, you don't lose it. That way, when your $1,000 blows up into a $10,000 or $100,000, it's all protected, it's all safe, and you control it all. And that is the important part. Not only does it help out the ecosystem, that is what crypto was designed for, was for each one of us to be able to control our own crypto. So learn how to do that, help out the ecosystem, make it a better place for all of us, and keep yourself safe at the same time. So that is my message to you. If you're getting out there and you're starting to trade, learn about crypto, start learning about what Web3 is, how crypto ties into that, and learn about cold storage and how to protect your crypto. You can follow along on this channel. We're going to be talking a lot more about cold storage and how to keep your crypto safe and still be able to trade. But make sure that you're taking the steps to be able to protect yourself. Don't just trust any of these exchanges and, face the same fate that some of these people with these other exchanges did, like Voyager and Celsius and so on. So, but if you're looking for an exchange that you can trust, I believe that Coinbase is a great one. I keep a link to Coinbase down below. If you don't know where to trade, you don't have a trading platform for crypto, make sure and join up over there at Coinbase. I still believe they're giving away like $10 in free Bitcoin for your first $100 trade that you do over there. So that gets your foot in the door and gets you some free crypto for doing it. And more importantly, because they are a publicly exchanged company, they're a lot more transparent than something like FTX or something like that was. So that is one reason why I really try to send new users over there. And the rest of my trading pretty much is over on KuCoin. There's some other great exchanges, but like I said, if you're just starting out, definitely highly recommend you look at Coinbase. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Keeping your crypto safe, being secure, and just starting to get out there and learn about it. Like I said, this is the best time. If you're out there and you're looking for a way to get out of the rat race, you're looking for something to invest in, I don't think that there's anything out there that can offer you the returns that crypto has when we get into that next bull cycle, which is not that far away. If you can start investing now, even if it's $25 a week, through this accumulation phase, it could be life-changing money for you over the next 2 to 3 years. I don't want to see you miss your chance. I don't want to see the top of the next bull market and Bitcoin's running up there $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. Some of these other coins that I'm investing into, we'll see these 10x or better, and you say, I wish I'd just invested. I want you out there. I want you investing in it now so that you can realize those gains as well. No one has ever been in crypto during the entire span that crypto's been around for a 4-year period and not made money. That is a powerful thing, and that's what I want to teach y'all how to do, because at this point, don't get me wrong, I trade in the stock market every day. I love the stock market, but I love crypto trading even more because crypto doesn't sleep. No holidays, no nights, no weekends. Money is constantly moving, and that's why there's so much money to be made in it. And when you've got the security of knowing the cycle on crypto and knowing how to position yourself, that is how true generational wealth can be obtained in a very short period of time. So that's what I got for you today. Be blessed. Make sure and catch me tomorrow. Until then, have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.